Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn fun English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rainbow, rainbow, colorful rainbow. What a beautiful rainbow. Rainbow, rainbow. Red color in the rainbow. There are many colors in the rainbow, but the most beautiful color in the rainbow is red. Red color in the rainbow. Rose, rose, red rose. What a beautiful rose. Red rose. Red rose. Rose. Rabbit, 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 rabbit. Rainbow, rose, rabbit. What is the initial sound of the rainbow? Rainbow. What is the initial sound of the rose? Rose. What is the initial sound of rabbit? Rabbit. What is this? Trace with your index finger. Go down, up, curve. What is this? There are so many roses here. Colored the rose with R on it. Which rose has R? This one, and this one, and this one. See you later. Allah Hafiz.